Hey everyone, what's going on? Welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to talk about one of my most favorite ways to sell anything online as an affiliate, or whether you're selling your own product, and that is the launch style promotion funnel. So this is a funnel that is being used to launch products, any type of products basically, but this can be used if you're an affiliate marketer. This can be used to sell anything you want online. So what I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to explain it. I'm going to give you I'm going to show you an example so you see exactly how it works and why this works so well. So let me explain why this works so well, and then I'm going to talk about the history of it and how I actually started using this, and then I'm going to show you the process and how it works and the rest of it. All right, so first of all, why this works so well? Because this funnel, instead of just you selling something directly, what you do is you take your time to establish a relationship with your subscriber. Okay, so you build a trust, and then you promote a good product that is going to help them to solve the problem, whatever the problem is. So you take the time, you provide value, and then you sell something. This works all the time. This is one of the basics of selling anything, whether it's online or offline. Whether you have a business, you have to establish the trust before you sell anything, right? So this funnel does that exactly. All right, so let me talk about the history of it, because this is really interesting. So about a year ago, this is where I kind of learned, this was when I actually learned about this. About a year ago, I launched my first product. So this was CB Masters Academy, and not actually a year ago, about 13 months ago, so a year and a month actually. But yeah, so back then, before the product launch, I was doing a lot of research about product launches, how to do them right, and I was taking a lot of different courses. And one of these courses, someone was talking about sequencing the pre-launch content. Okay, so in case if you don't know what's a pre-launch content, it's a content or like a valuable information that you provide about the problem you're trying to solve with your product before selling your product. So this way, people get to engage with you. So this was how this whole sequence funnel actually worked. So there is a landing page. Okay, so this is your LP, and then you send people to video number 1, or PLC number 1. So this is a video, or it can be an ebook, article, whatever. Usually, most of the times, it's a video, and that's the best way to do it. And then you send them next day, or next 2 days, 3 days. You send them to another one. Okay, so PLC 2, that's another video. Okay, another like 2 days later, and then PLC 3, 2 days later. Okay, so this is PLC 3, and then on day 4, or PLC 4, this is where you sell your product. So by this time, this is about maybe let's say a week or 4 days, depends on the funnel. Okay, depends on the product you're selling, price of it, and all of that stuff. But 4 days later, you end up with someone who knows you as a person, or who knows the product as a person. They've got a lot of value from you, and there's a high chance that they're gonna buy whatever you have to sell that is gonna help them to solve that problem. So that's the idea here, to just establish a trust, and then 4 or 5 days later, sell something. Okay. It's really simple. So I used this, obviously there's a lot of details into this, like what to say in each video, what to do, you gotta kind of get them ready for this sell, like the video number 4. There's a lot of details into this, but I'm just kind of going through this really quick. So this was something I used for my launch about a year ago. So what I did was, after launch, because this worked so well on the launch, I said, all right, so let's do this. Let's just kind of build something like this evergreen, right? Something automatic, because this was being done manually. So I made the video number 1. I just sent a bunch of people to this video, to this list, and then video, and put out the video 2 days later, and then send a bunch of people to the video number 2. So it was all being done manually. So I just created a funnel that would do this automatically. Just send that email automatically, and put out these pages automatically. So after launch, I built this evergreen funnel, and it started selling the product automatically, and big volumes. So this like proved that, okay, this is not just going to work for a launch, but it's just selling the product even if there's no launch. So because that worked, I decided to use this on almost anything else that I'm selling. So any other affiliate product that I was selling, I started like building a funnel for this. So, you know, building something like this takes a while. You know, it's not easy to obviously make these videos, especially if you don't know how to structure these videos, what to talk about in each one of them, because it's not just, you know, providing value. There's a kind of a progress to get people ready for the video number 4, which is you selling something. So there's a progress. So you know, I used it on almost every single affiliate product. Obviously, this is not something I wasn't in every single one of the videos, because, you know, some products, or actually I'd say like half of products that I promote personally, I cannot like make a video off of myself because they don't apply to me, like maybe weight loss and other niches. So I pay other people to make these videos for me. So so I started doing this and I got some crazy results. So what I'm gonna do in this video is I'm going to take you to my computer. Okay, I'm going to show you an example of one of these funnels and explain how they work, so you see it as it is, so you see it in action. All right, so let's get started. Let's go to my computer. We're going to be back. All right, guys, so take a look at this example. So this is a dog training product that I'm promoting. It's not from like these top 3 niches, you know, like money niche or a dating niche or the health and beauty niche or weight loss niche. So it's a really small niche. It's not the biggest one, so that's why it worked. This is one of the cool things, because it works really good and people really engage with these funnels. So this is the opt-in page, and you know, it's a free training. Obviously it's a free training, you know, how to get your dog to behave. So this is the opt-in page, and they just sign up for it, put their name and info, and they just start watching the video. So when they confirm their email, they're gonna watch video number 1. So this is the video number 1, and you know, again, it's just video 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 goes, and I mean, in this case I have 5 videos, not 4. So this one is a little bit different, but same concept, you know, same as the launch style concept. So basically, I'm just, you know, kind of warming it up for the final sale. So this is day 1, and then day 2, and you know, day 3, as you know, just goes day 4 and day 5, and then at the end they have the ability, or they have the opportunity to purchase this product. Now the cool thing with this is that even if someone doesn't buy your product at the end, you still are going to be able to build a really good relationship with them. So you know, because they've just gone through your funnel, they've watched your videos, you know, you can just kind of get them to interact with you, to, you know, kind of establish a dialogue with them. So you can ask them, hey, join this Facebook group, because again, they've gone through your funnel, so they know you. They have they've established a relationship. You know, like they trust you. So you can send them to a funnel, or you can send them to another funnel, or you can send them to a Facebook page or a Facebook group. You can ask them to join there, and you can just start, you know, kind of sell them there. You know, try to sell them there. You know, because communities are really powerful, and that's just another way to sell something. So again, you can do a lot of cool stuff, or you can just send them to a webinar. You know, you can just do a lot of cool stuff. So yeah, so it's really powerful. You know, building funnels like this, it takes a while, and it's not super easy. It's not like a one button thing. It takes a while to build it, and it's really complicated because each video has to have some stuff in it to get people ready for that purchase, for that pitch, which is going to be the final video. Because if you don't do it, if you just give stuff for free, you're not going to make that money at the end. So it's important to, you know, like have those, follow the template to make these videos right. Okay, so, and that's something we talk about inside Gold Masterclass. I kind of, you know, go through all of these things. I build them in front of you. I give you the template for each video, so you know exactly what to say and what to not say in each video. So you follow them template, because you need to, when someone joins your funnel, like they watch the first video, from like video number 1 to video number 4, you need to convert them to a buyer slowly. Okay, so there is a really soft and slow progress that you have to follow. You don't want to push people, obviously, but you have to slowly convert them to a buyer, and it's a really cool progress that you have to follow. It's a template. So yeah, so that's how it works. All right, guys, so I hope that dog product made sense. You know, the funnel, that was like a five video funnel instead of 4, but same concept. See what's happening? I'm just kind of establishing a trust, establishing value, providing value, establishing trust, and then on the final video, I'm selling something. So this funnel works really good, and this is one of the things I talk about inside Adversity Gold Masterclass. You know, I kind of just mapped it out here, but you need to know what to say in each and every single video. And in there, actually, you see me building one. So you're gonna see it in action. That you're gonna see me actually building one in front of you, like setting up the funnel, making the videos and everything. So pretty cool. If you want to see it all in action, because there's a lot of details, as I said, you know, what to say in each videos, you know, how to set up your landing pages and everything. There's a lot of details that you learn inside Gold Masterclass. I'm going to leave a link in the description, so make sure to check it out. All right, so thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you learned something new today. If you did, make sure to like this video, share it with your friends, leave a comment, let me know what you think about this video. And if you're not a subscriber, make sure to subscribe. I post new videos every single day and talk about these cool strategies that you can use to start your online business, make money, affiliate marketing, and all that stuff. All right, so make sure to subscribe if you're not a subscriber. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.